Hi, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're looking at this 2018 Sea Ray 280 SLX. To the aft of the boat, there's a nice pad where you can lay and sunbathe or sit up. And a nice walk-through so you never have to step foot on the upholstery. Here in the cockpit we have a wraparound seat bench. Of course there's storage under every seat. Cup holders, there's a table mount. Continue on here. Again, more storage under every seat. Under here is a nice cooler, so it'll never slide out while you're driving. The flooring is infinity woven flooring. Under that compartment is a ski locker. Here we have a nice Cocaptain chair with a flip-up bolster, which is very nice. Of course, the head, this area. Onto the bow, and a nice big bow, very comfortable seating. You got armrests, Rockford Fosgate speakers, cup holders down below, very nice. Here at the helm we have a two-seat, both flip-up bolsters, got a touch screen which is not currently on, also push buttons to the side here, as well as a way to control the stereo. This boat is Yacht Certified. And again, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Stop out and check out this boat today.